Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, we all know that uLwazi decided to confess in front of phambi kwabantu, phambi kwebandla lonke, and said ukuthi he's been lying all along, that indeed he is the father of uGabi G's child, you guys. So we see uGabisile benolwazi, they were sitting down, kibo guys, ekhaya. I think it's at uLwazi's house or uGabi G's house, one of the two. But anyway, uGabisile is saying to Lwazi, yazangazi ukuthi ngizokubonga kanjani, wangikhetha, uthengi ngowakho phambi kwebandla lonke. I'm just like, hayibo, lo girl yazi ungimangazile guys. I don't want to lie. Yes, I get it ukuthi uLwazi eventually guys, he eventually owned up kwizono zakhe, but the way uGabisile just welcomed him back kanjalo, hayi ugirl yazifela ngoGayi, because if it was me, able, I would have given him, some tough time nyana to say ukuthi wena vele you are ready ukuthi umbukise uven, not ready umbukise ngabantu. But Shem uGabisile, she has welcomed uLwazi ngenhliziyo emhlophe. She goes on to say, awusho ke baba kaMthiyane Junior, awufisi nje ukuthi umbambe. uLwazi is like, how sekakhahlela yini? uGabisile is like, ukungikhahlela kuphi loyo? Ngaphandle nje ngongigulisa, ayikho nje indaba yakhe, kodwa nje uyasizwa mesikhuluma, so ungakhuluma naye. So we see uLwazi rubbing uGabisile stomach, speaking nengane, but he's saying, sawona wena Mthiyane Junior. Some people are saying guys ukuthi shame uLwazi is not that bad. uLwazi shame guys, he has been umfana alright all along. It's just that uma wakhe, yes sis, uLwazi uzilungele shame njengobaba wakhe, kodwa uma wakhe bo. But anyway, even if uma wakhe, at the end of the day, he still has to take responsibility. And I don't like the fact that it took him so long to actually admit ukuthi he actually, ukuthi umithisile uGabisile. But anyway, as long as uGabi G ejabulile guys, she is with her and her mini family, her and a small family, they look like they are enjoying life, or at least let's just say for now, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please also do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.